Welcome to Crypto Hustle Exchange. Today video we'll be talking about P2P arbitrage. Okay, P2P arbitrage. Before we proceed, guys, please smash the like button, drop a nice comment, and turn on the bell notification. Subscribe and turn on bell notification. Let's proceed. We go to P2P. This is P2P. We tap on it. When we tap on it, I want to buy 1000 worth of USDT. Okay, so nobody is selling 1000 here. I'll go to this amount bar, this place. Okay, I will type 1000. Okay, 1 million is naira. I will type 1 million. I'll just type 1 million. And remember, I want to buy 1000 worth of USDT. This one is selling 1552 per dollar. He's selling from 1 million to 23 million. Okay, and again, it has made an order of 1762 order, having 99%. Is very good, and it's verified. What we do with buy, we tap on buy, this button buy, we tap on it. We tap on it. We go to with crypto. I'm buying $1,000. $1,000. And watch what we are having here. We are having 1,552,000 naira is what we pay to this merchant, and this merchant will now release this 1000 USDT for us to do our arbitrage. Let us mark it down. 1,500 and 1,000. Okay, sorry, 1 million 552 552,000. We have write it down. Okay, let's go back. You have now having the 1000 USDT. You go to trading. See where I go. When you come back to your menu, to your home screen. Okay, you go to trading. You go to trading, this place. You go to trading. this place. You tap on it. After tapping on it, that $1,000 Bitcoin is making crazy move. Bitcoin is making crazy move. You type $1,000 here. See what you'll be having. We'll be having 0.009147. Let us copy it. This is what we'll be having. Bitcoin. This is our Bitcoin. Let me type BTC. Okay, so we go back again. Remember, we have bought the BTC. Now we are now going to sell that BTC from BTC to naira. Let's go. We tap on P2P again. My network is having issue. Okay, there's the P2P dashboard. We want to sell our BTC. Okay, so what we will do here is to go to here, this place. We go to there, we tap on it. You tap on BTC. Look at BTC. You tap on BTC. You go to you go to sell. This option, you go to sell. This place, you go to sell. You say this one is selling from 2 million, this one is selling for 2 million, this one is selling from 50,000. Let us search for, let us just type 1 million. 1 million. So this guy is selling 182 million. One Bitcoin is selling for 182 million. This guy he's selling, this guy now, he's selling 182 million for one Bitcoin. Okay, see what we do. We tap on buy. This option, this place, we tap on buy. To sell, sorry, we tap on sell. What you will do is, we don't have the Bitcoin, the BTC, right? What you will do is, to calculate this BTC, this amount to our BTC we have. Okay, let's do the math. Let's do the math. Let's go to our calculator. We are having 182 million times 0. Let's check 0. What? 0.009 147. See what we are having. 1,664,754 naira. Remember, we start our trade with 1,555,552,000. Okay, let us minus 1,552,000. Let us see our profit minus 1,552 0. Look at our profits. We are in just this single trade, we are having 112,754 naira. So guys, if you are doing this more than 10 times a day, do you know you are making more than 1 million? If this trade now I just did now, I'll just, if it is me now doing it by myself, I will run this trade more than 2 times within 20 minutes. Okay, so if you have the capital, you start it. Okay, make sure you have bybit account, and your bybit account will be the same. After having bybit account, you verified it with your BVN or NIN ID card. So when verifying it, make sure your name and your bank name is the same, so that's because of the transaction, P2P transaction issue. Okay, make sure it's the same and start cashing out big. If you want to know more about arbitrage, or more arbitrage, I have a VIP class where I'll be teaching you, I'll be giving you the guideline. You'll be making money every day. So far you have your capital. For you to be on my VIP, you have to pay $100, and the $100, if you have capital to start this business, $100 just be in a day, you get back the $100, or within a minute you just get back the $100 if you are doing the arbitrage. So not only this arbitrage, more arbitrage. I'll be dropping more updates concerning arbitrage, because these days airdrop have been messing us. So I'm not doing any airdrop I'm doing is just those ones that I know that they will do well, but I'm just using it, I'm just doing it under I'm playing game if I'm less busy or I'm doing nothing. So this is what, if you have the capital to start doing, you'll be making crazy money. Money dey for P2P. Money is on P2P if you know how to trade P2P. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Thank you for coming around. Don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to share, comment, and then turn on the bell notification and subscribe, so that whenever I drop an important video like this, you'll be the first to like it and comment and watch it and follow the guideline. Thank you.